Welcome to the Age Gracefully Show with Dr. Michael Grossman, the well-known anti-aging stem cell and regenerative medicine specialist, best-selling author, and founder of the OC Wellness Clinic in Irvine, California. Each week, he shares the latest information to help you look and feel your best so you age gracefully. And here's your host, Dr. Michael Grossman.
Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Grossman. I'm an anti-aging physician who specializes in keeping my patients youthful, vital, and I enjoy doing this. I've been doing this exclusively since 2009. Prior to that, I was a family practice physician for 30 plus years. And I love what I do. It's so much fun to have people come in my office, and then I use natural approaches to make them feel vital and youthful. And it's really fun. I change their lives all the time. Today, I want to talk about looking younger. Looking younger is a really fun thing to do. When you feel vital inside, you'd like for your body to reflect that vitality. And there's so many new technologies that we have to have men and women look younger. And it's a fun technology to apply. So back in the old days, we had one process, which was facelift, and you tighten up the skin and your skin looks really tight and you look kind of like in a windblown tunnel. And it had some value, but it didn't really look very natural. And it wasn't really natural. And we have found out over time that the aging process as to what makes the skin young, not look young, is that it's not just that it gets saggy, although that's a piece of it. But a bigger piece is that you lose volume in the face. Volume because you're losing fat and you're losing bone. And yes, there is some loss of elasticity. It's so much easier to replace the volume loss in the face that allows you to look more youthful when we add it back in. So that's one big effect that we can do. And then we have other kinds of things that we do that involve stimulating the body to repair itself and to maintain that youthful appearance. So let's talk about volume enhancement. So for volume, we can inject things under the skin that will add back the volume that you've lost from losing fat and losing bone. And that makes your skin look better. Otherwise, you're looking like a really saggy and old, and then it just lifts it up and you look more youthful. So we have a variety of things that we can use. Back in the old days, year 2000, we started having collagen that only lasted like 3 months. And now we have different kinds of hyaluronic acid that can last anywhere from 9 months to 2 years. And the hyaluronic acid is totally natural. It's naturally all over your body. It is kind of the collagen-like substance that's all over your body. And we can inject this under the skin. It's harmless. It's easy. There's really generally no side effects other than bruising. And it lasts for a long time, 9 months to a couple of years, depending upon which kind of collagen you're using, which kind of hyaluronic acid you're using. If you're using the lips, you need one that's more flexible. You use in the cheeks, doesn't have to be so flexible. So we have different kinds of injections. And you can do it where it looks very natural, where no one knows what you've done, but you just look better. You look rested. You look happier. And then you get sags under the eyes. You can lift them up and smooth them out so that you don't have those saggy eyes. You can reduce the wrinkles, and you can lift up the cheeks and add volume wherever you need it, as different people lose in different places. Then we have other material that we can inject under the skin that stimulates the body to grow its own collagen. One of them is Sculpture, which is hyaluronic acid. That's naturally in the body. When you exercise, you produce a lot of lactic acid. And so when you produce lactic acid and you put the crystals under the skin, it stimulates the body to grow its own collagen, which can last for two years or so. We have other things we put under the skin, that little microscopic little beads of polymers like what we use for a knee replacement. And it also stimulates the body to grow new collagen. That can last 5+ years. These can all make you look really young and just look so healthy. And it's a fun thing to do. But I kind of tell my men and women that it's kind of like getting your hair done Do you want to color your hair, or you want it to stay gray? You want to take care of your fingernails, or you want to color them? This is a fun thing to do. It's not a serious thing. It's fun. Now, the other kind of things we do to make the skin more youthful is that we have a variety of treatments that stimulate the body to repair itself. As we get older, we don't repair our skin very well. We don't repair anything very well. So we have a variety of materials that can stimulate the repair process to make the skin more youthful. So one of the things that we have noticed is that we can take the skin and put little pinholes in the skin, tiny microscopic pinholes, and vaporize them with a laser. And then when the pinhole is there, the body will send in repair cells. Oh, there's some injury here. Let's repair those little pinholes. And what it does, it repairs it with youthful, tight, elastic skin. It just looks so young, and it tightens all your skin up, and your face looks glowing. You look smoother, takes care of any little scars that are there, and your skin just looks more youthful, and it will last for many years. It does have the downside of about 4 days of being red, but we add to that platelet-rich plasma, which is your own blood. We concentrate the growth factors that are naturally in the blood. So whenever you get an injury and you're bleeding, the body creates a clot and a fibrin matrix to hold it together, and then sends out a signal, okay, please repair this area. It's been damaged. How does it repair it? Very complicated, but we don't care. The body is smart. It knows how to repair it. Same thing happens in your face. We add the platelet-rich plasma topically to the face, and then the body will be stimulated to repair all these little tiny little holes all over the face really, really youthfully, intensely, and you just look wonderful. And it helps to cut the repair time down by half. But more importantly, it's actually stimulating a more intense repair process. So that's one of my favorite things to do for men and women. Now, the other thing we can do is we can use radio waves. We have a process where we put little radio waves, not actually a pinhole, but a little burst of radio waves into multiple areas on the skin. And we create this heat in the skin, and it tightens the skin. It tightens it again through this injury process. You injure the skin, and the body then will send in healing repair cells, and you get skin tightening. And that is one nice treatment. Then that only takes it doesn't have any downtime. You don't have 4 days. You don't even have 1 day of downtime. The skin gets a little red, but not very much. So those are all various types of things that are natural to promote healing. Now, we have topical things that are very, very helpful to promote healing. We have retin A, which has been around a long time. Retin A is a vitamin A derivative, and it stimulates the skin to repair. So that makes the skin a little bit dry, a little irritated, but that vitamin A type of topical will stimulate the body to repair the fine lines. So using retin A on a regular basis is very helpful to reduce fine lines. Then we have a variety of other topical products we use that have both hyaluronic acid and vitamin C and zinc and other things that will apply topically, and it ongoingly rejuvenates the skin. So these are all fun things. It's part of a whole anti-aging program. So in my office, I want people to feel good, to feel younger, using a variety of methods that we've talked about before about feeling younger. But this is a description today of just looking younger. It's fun to look younger. We enjoy looking younger. It's a delight to look at your face and to feel you're youthful, and then you're motivated to behave more youthfully, which means exercise, eating healthy, going out and doing things and achieving things and enjoying your life. So that's what I do. My website, ocwellness.com. My office is in Newport Beach, California. Come and visit. It's a pleasure talking to you all, and I look forward to speaking to you again on another Aging Gracefully show. Thanks so much. Have a good night.
Thank you for watching the Age Gracefully Show with Dr. Michael Grossman. Join us next week for another informative discussion to help you age gracefully. Be sure to visit us at ocwellness.com.